Leaks on a low-slope commercial roof are most likely to occur at the seams of the membrane, whether that's a mod bit, EPDM, TPO, or at any penetration through the roof or a roof-to-wall transition. So your seams, really important. That's where they overlap. Eventually those can degrade over time and water can get into your roofing system. Also, penetrations. You usually don't have a leak just in the middle of the roof. Usually there's something sticking out, whether that's a pipe or a heater flue sticking out of the roof, that the flashing is failing on it. It can be from HVAC curb units. It can be from the actual parapet wall or the coping cap. On a TPO roof, proper welding of the seams is critical to prevent future leaks. If you have just the smallest little, we call a cold weld, where it didn't weld properly, that can eventually become larger and larger. Water can get into this little pocket, freezes, expands it over years and years. The next thing you know, you have a big hole in the roof or a big opening that can allow water in. Another reason that roofs can fail prematurely or get leaks in general is maintenance. Like if you have an HVAC unit, rooftop unit up on your low slope commercial roof that's being actively worked on, and the worker happened to have a screw stuck in his shoe and walked all over your roof, creating 100 mini punctures into your roof, that can cause an issue. We see a lot of leaks coming from other contractors working on the roof, not maybe intentionally, but maybe just accidentally causing damage to the roofing system. The other one is storm damage, right? So if there's large hail, if there's huge windstorms, those can damage the roof, creating water intrusion. Your commercial roofing contractor's experience is typically a critical element to whether or not you're going to have a successful project. Commercial roofing types are very complex in the sense of they have different roof decks, they have different heights, they have different requirements. They're multivariate. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution to most buildings. And so having a roofing contractor with experience who can create the best roofing system for your unique building will give you the peace of mind that it's going to be installed correctly, you're going to get the right scope, and then ultimately when it is installed, it's going to be installed in a workmanship-like manner and last you the intended life of that roofing system. If you have any questions about commercial low-slope roofing systems, please reach out to Rhoden Roofing today.